In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser to your Mac. The first thing you need to do is to open your Safari web browser and you want to go to google.com. From here you want to search for Microsoft Edge and it should be the top link and it should look like this. However, I will leave a link to this website in the description below. Once you're on the Microsoft Edge website, you want to click on Download Edge and then you want to click on Accept and Download. From here you want to click on the Allow option and this will begin to download the Microsoft Edge web browser to your Mac. Once the Edge web browser has been downloaded, you want to click on the download icon in the top right hand corner and then you want to double click on this Microsoft Edge download. Once you've done this, the Microsoft Edge installer should appear and it should look like this. All you need to do is click on Continue and here you want to click on Install. Now you may need to enter in your Mac password that you used to sign in and then you want to click on Install Software. Now this may take a few seconds to a few minutes to install the Microsoft Edge web browser to your Mac. Once the installation is successful, you want to click on Close and you'll get this prompt and you want to click on Move to Bin. Once we've done this, the Microsoft Edge web browser has now been downloaded to our Mac and you should see it on your dock. However, if you don't see it, you want to go into the Launchpad and then you want to find the Microsoft Edge web browser, which is here. Now you may be prompted to start syncing your data with your email address, so you can choose to do that if you'd like to do so. In this case, I'm going to select Start without using your data. You can also choose whether you want to share your data with Microsoft. In this case, I'm going to choose Do Not Allow. And finally, it's going to ask you if you want to use it as your default web browser, and in this case, I'm going to press Skip. It will also ask you if you want to import your browser data from browsers that are installed on your Mac, and again, I'm going to click Skip. Now the Microsoft Edge browser has been set up, we can start using the Edge browser just as we normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.